So this is assessment 2, just an introduction to the warehouse management system in SAP. So we just start off from the unit portal, and if you just scroll down, you'll come across SAP assessment 2. And what we want to do is to log in to SAP. So we have a link already here. So we click on that, and you'll see this menu, well, where you log in. So you put in your username, so that's mine there, and you put in your password. So don't use Teach02, use your own given one. Then the next thing is to log in. So now we're in the menu of SAP. So there's a lot of things. SAP is very complex. There's a lot of things that can be done within it. So we've got a series of tabs across the top here, and this first one, technical monitoring, is just showing what some of the options are in there. But what we're after is just down here a little bit further, just the last one, which is warehouse processing. So we just click on that, and we get another choices of the processes. And what we're after is create inbound deliveries. So we click on that. And what we need to do here is that the app that we're looking for, the application we're looking for, is to create purchase order. Oops. Better if you spell it properly. And what we're after is to create purchase order advanced. So in the drop-down menu, we'll just pick that one, and we're right to go. Now, the first thing we need to determine is that we've got the standard purchase order is showing. Then we have to pick the vendor or the supplier, depending on what they're called, and the vendor here is EWM 17. And you see we've got a drop down menu there, so we'll just pick that item, and we will use just the date, but just double check it. It's American layout, which is always annoying. So 15, continue. Then the next thing is the purchase organization, which happens to be 1710. So just wait for the drop down menu and you use the selection. The purchase group is 002. So again, maybe a bit of a lag. And the company code is 1710. So there we go, company code there. Then the material that we're going to order is EWMS4. So in material here, EWMS4, and should have a drop-down menu, and it's 01. So that's what we're the product that we're ordering. The purchase order quantity is going to be 6. Oops, is 6. The net, the currency is US dollars. Per each, so per one. And the OPU is PC, which stands for pieces. So we collect that, and right, then we select the item, And what we want to do is just, you might need to open up that bottom menu. I've already done it. And we're after confirmations. And the confirmation control, what we're after is inbound delivery. So just pick that. Now we've got a warning here. So that's just telling us that it's item 10 for the order. And we've got a bit of a problem there. So let's just click on the warning symbol, and we've got acceptance of the origin was taken over from plant 1710. So yes, we're okay with that. And can the delivery be met? And we're saying yes, it can be met. And then we'll just click that. And now we will just save. And we've got an order number down there in the bottom right, the bottom left-hand corner. 367 is the number that we're after, because we'll need that for our ASN number. So basically we're finished. We've created our purchase order. So now we can just go up to exit, and we've exited out of the system. And if we just go back to the SAP homepage, we'll use this for the next step.